My name's Stuart Ascher. I'm the Facility Services Manager here at State Farm Arena with the Atlanta Hawks. I've been with the Hawks for 8 years now, and I'm proud to represent this community of Atlanta. One of the biggest improvements we've seen is how we manage maintenance. With KCP's Onvation system, we can see exactly which dispensers need attention remotely. That means no more guessing or unnecessary restroom inspections. Before Onvation, it was mostly guesswork. We relied on staff to walk through restrooms constantly, and sometimes we missed an empty dispenser or a maintenance issue during peak times. We're saving hours of work every week just by being more efficient. It's smart, it's simple, and it works. Fewer complaints, smoother operations, and restrooms that are constantly clean and stocked. Fans notice, and that's what matters.